Welcome everyone, thank you for watching. We are inside the brand new Thor Indigo. It's not violet, it's indigo. This is the newest lineup from Thor RV Manufacturers. This is the #1 selling Class A motorhome manufacturer within the United States and has been for like 10 years. Let's get started with some of the unique features that this model has to offer. I'm Justin at Beckley's RVs. So this is the Indigo. This is a step above the Hurricane and maybe not quite as nice as a Miramar. This is a $237,000 MSRP, and inside of that is going to be a ton of cool features. The first thing, these models are going to be about 36 feet in length at minimum, which means it's just you and maybe your significant other. You can pick a floor plan that's super comfortable and cozy for you to spend a lot of time in. Or if it's you and the family, we've got another one coming soon that has bunk beds inside. This particular model has 2 slide outs that are posing right here. That's going to give me all kinds of floor space to be able to dance, to be able to have some fun, or more importantly, I don't really know. Let's skip to the next clip. If it's not violet, it's indigo. What do you get with indigo? You get solid surface countertops. Those are cabinets. Solid surface countertops. You get real hardwood cabinetry. You're gonna get some of the nicer finishes that you'd expect with something of this MSRP. Now this kitchen area is beautiful and I'd love to talk more on it, but we cannot neglect the fact that this refrigerator is one of the biggest I have ever seen within a Class A. You're gonna get residential appliances inside of this thing. Now let's go take a look at what the bathroom has to offer, and after that we'll show you the bedroom. So I'm not a big guy, but I'm resting comfortably on the toilet, which means if you are a big guy or gal, you're gonna have plenty of elbow and space room here to be able to do what you need to do. Now, this again is an upgrade, so Nick, you gotta show him the shower. Welcome to the master bedroom, but first, before we show you where the magic happens, we gotta point out this massive pantry area here that has adjustable shelves inside, and it even has a hanging rod for the ladies that may wanna bring a little more clothes than as if we were actually camping. I don't know, but hey, we're back here inside of the bedroom. We got a king-size bed, plenty of space to make everything happen here. Got a window in the back, window on the sides, and then look at the amount of space you get back here. Now, Nick, we gotta show them one last thing. Man, they just didn't forget about any of it, did they? Nick, they have not 1, but 2 televisions inside here. We got a TV here for up front when those swivel seats spin around, or alternatively, if you want to get comfortable, we can hang out over here at the theater seats, and we've got an even bigger TV right across from here. They have literally thought of everything. Now, Nick, I know we showed them that fireplace down low. Guys, I said that right. It has a fireplace inside of here. You can literally turn on electric heat in here and keep this place nice and warm. Now, if you're gonna be bringing some extra guests, this has all kinds of additional sleeping features. The booth dinette folds down into a bed. Got storage underneath of there too. See this sofa here? Tri-fold sofa. This makes out into a bed. Behind me right here, we got a drop-down bed. Check this thing out. Bed. So you're cruising down the road in your brand new RV. This is, by the way, the best way to be able to view America, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a massive windshield up front with huge windows on both the left and the right. So if you want to make sure you're not missing anything, right up here in this passenger chair, and you've got a little desk area here that you could use to work, or perhaps just maybe throw down a map because the road is endless and your travels are just so exciting. Now, there are outlets down below that you can plug in your devices. Even over here, you've got an outlet to plug in all the essentials. Now, when I talk about essentials, we've got pets at the house. I know they may be important to you. This has a pet window down low to make sure that they don't miss all your travels. So both your passenger and driver seats swivel around, so you can use the most amount of space inside of this Class A floor plan. Now, we gotta talk about the drivability of this motorhome because that's what's gonna be most important to you and your family. This model has a massive screen right up front here. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now the best part of it is you have rear cameras along with side view cameras. So if you go to turn on a turn signal, it'll show you a blind spot on not only the left but also the right hand side. This motorhome is powered by the Ford 7.3 liter V8 gasoline engine. This thing's gonna be able to tow nearly 8,000 pounds. That way you can bring a small towing vehicle right behind your Indigo Class A motorhome. So is it quite ironic that this motorhome is called the Indigo, yet on the outside, I don't see an ounce of indigo. However, the cool thing about this model is that this is full body paint. That means the color of this thing is going to look like this for the next 30 years as long as you take care of it. That's in comparison to the traditional decals of most Class A motorhomes put on their sidewalls. Now this model, as you can see, has some massive wheels and tires on there. This is 22.5-inch wheels and tires, which will equal a better ride quality for you and the whole family. I'm Justin at Beckley's RVs. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next one.
For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.